Hello everyone, welcome back to GWS. I'm the host Gavin. Today we're going to talk about this Elgato Stream Deck Mark II. This Stream Deck Mark II comes in white or black color, and the retail cost is $209 Canadian or $149 in US dollars. The main difference between the original and the Mark II is the holder, and it comes with a detachable USB cable and replaceable faceplate. So compared to the original, it still has that 15 LCD keys. So with this device, when you're streaming, you could customize the buttons to do any sound effects, or when you're working on like content creation, even stock trading, you could customize all these buttons to do what you want under the automation option. And now let's get to the unboxing. As you see, the Stream Deck. And a USB cable, and just the user manual. And that's pretty much it. So I've installed the software on the Steam Deck and just try to convert. It seems that there might be a bit of a learning curve. So I set up some application shortcuts, even let me do a speed test, and even let me control the nanoleaf elements that I have at home. So I'm pretty much happy with this. So it makes a lot of things easier if I have to set up other softwares to use it together. It's a recommended buy. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.